So maybe it's not bowling for drops, but it could be. That's how I would throw horseshoes. Maybe horseshoes for drops, horseshoes. Because my right foot's forward, and bowling, your right foot goes back. Something like that. I can't bowl anymore. Hip issues. Okay, so we're gonna do into the wind. I mean, this is a stronger wind today. Much stronger, so we're gonna see what happens. I like setting that paddle in that ball path because when it's windy, you don't know what speed's coming. I mean, it hits, especially with the Dura 40 on the, you know, on the court surface, it can skid a little bit. So if you hit that skid and your paddle's not in line, you're gonna hit that ball. So if I get my paddle in line, I'm going to at least hit that ball. Now I just have to worry about distance and height. All right, so let's try it. Going slow and then gusting. So right now it's slower. Now it's coming up. It's coming up. Oh, now it's starting to blow. So I have to adjust as I go. Adjust the power. So the wind's picking up again. On my plane, make sure I clear the net and let it drop. Clear the net, let it drop. Woo! That's gonna be a tough one. Let the wind be my partner, not my opponent. That's a Gamma indoor ball. Let the wind be my partner. Across the court, it makes it difficult to get it, but once I get that alignment, I know I'm going to make contact. If I was trying to come from the side and just lay it short, I think I would cause too much spin and couldn't control the height, because a lot of times my drop is just kind of a chop drop. But depending on the wind, you got to change a little bit. You got to make yourself more consistent. So that's what I'm doing. I'm setting my paddle, I'm playing horseshoes, and all I'm doing is hitting it hard enough to clear the net and let gravity and the wind take it down. So that's good practice. I only missed a few, and when I hit the net, I feel like I got punched in the gut. That's how much you gotta hate hitting that net. It ruins any rally you might have had. You might have got 6 points, 8 points, 10 points that rally, but you hit the ball in the net, so you'll never know. You're screwed, you're done. And that's an unforced error usually, but I gotta know that I'm gonna hit that ball over the net no matter what. I let the wind be my partner. The opponent, they have to play against 3 people. I only have to play against 2, and I have 3 people on my side. The wind is my partner. Get that in your head, and then you'll quit cursing the wind. Play when it's windy. Get used to that wind. I can hit some pretty awesome wind shots. If anybody needs a great wind player, that's me, because this is what I practice in all the time. Okay, so go to Coach David Pickleball, like this video. This is a follow-up video to the drop shot hack, because yesterday wasn't that windy, so I filmed that yesterday. Today's very windy, so it showed that it still works in the wind, and actually is better. It's better in the wind, because that ball's, you don't know how fast it's going to come each time, or if it's going to skid on you, because they're hitting with the wind at their back. Okay, CoachDavidPickleball.com. Like this video, it shows me that you appreciate the work, because this is a lot of work to do these videos, especially editing. I mean, it might look simple when you're watching it, but in the editing room, man, it takes a long time. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.